So we got Amos, we got the 3rd Gen Camaro LS that we've been pretty well building for the channel. If you ain't seen them videos, check it out. Should be in the playlist, LS Engines and More. And what we got going today is a paint job basically for the engine. And no, we are not using spray cans. The engine is green because we went ahead and applied an acid to it, an acid etch, you know, a self-etching primer. It ain't really a primer, but what's cast, we wanted to give the paint the best chance to pretty well stick to it. You know, you probably could just spray the cast and it'd been just fine, but we wanted to go the extra step. You could use the epoxy, but the etch is good stuff, so we went with it. Now, I do got a can of spray away, so the spray away works as a degreaser. It won't take off tough degrease, but we done cleaned this engine, pressure washer video and all this, so, and primed it, so a quick clean off with the spray away, we should be good to go. So as Amos is cleaning this on off and wiping it down, once we get done, we're going to take a tack cloth to it and also blow it all off. Oh, by the way, we did go ahead and scuff this etch primer down before we cleaned it, so the paint is going to stick. You don't want to spray etch primer down, let it set a week and not scuff it and then spray it. And we are taking a blow nozzle and just basically blowing all the lint, and if it's got any spray away left over, it ain't dry yet, or any dirt on it, blowing all that off. So we got the eye water here. You might see it in a lot of my videos. Go ahead and add the strainer, Amos, and pour some paint. Now the paint on this is Hooker Orange, and it is Omni, and it is the prime variants, in case you like the color of this engine and wanted to know. And it mixes 1-to-1, one thing paint, one thing reducer. So we're going to spray 3 coats on this. So this is the 3rd coat. We're going over everything, making sure everything is coated good. Flash times around 10 minutes with this medium reducer is what we've been flash timing everything on. Is it about out, Amos? Yeah. Still a little, finish her up. We are outside doing this, but always wear a mask. Amos ain't got a mask on right now, he's just quick spraying. But always wear your mask. You don't want to spray this stuff without the mask. But also we have a lot of wind blowing today, and it's blowing all the paint that way. This is the engine. We give it a 30-minute final flash time. We are mixing the clear coat right now. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is a clear coat. We mixed a little bit of the orange paint that was left in the cup with this clear coat. It gives it kind of an orange tinge. Now you can also shade tail lights this way by using black. And what this will do is make this orange, Hooker Orange, pop even more. So this is the first coat of clear coat applied. I'm going to just do 2 coats and make sure the second coat that I'm putting on is extremely wet and heavy. But before I apply my second coat, I'm giving this at least 30 minutes to dry. It's 80 some degrees out and we're using a medium hardener, so 30-minute flash time, probably a little overkill for this, but it should work just fine. But all in all, it looks extremely good. So this is the second coat. We put it on quite heavy and it looks extremely good. Now we did not take the heads off to do this engine. You can tell we kind of just masked them with masking tape. I'm going to let this dry because I know you guys want to see it with the heads unmasked and what it looks like. So movie magic. It had a couple hours dry time. We went ahead and unmasked it. We got the shaved truck intake that you might have seen if you're following the channel in some other videos. We got it scuffed down. It's got to be painted here soon. We ain't sure what color to go with that shaved truck intake. So if you got any ideas, let us know in the comment section. But all in all, the engine turned out great. Now this little crossover pipe, we actually going to probably hand paint that black or take it completely off and powder coat it. One of the two, we ain't decided yet, but we did get a little overspray on here. We got some overspray on our head, but once we polish the heads up, that overspray will come right off. So this one turned out great. We still got the other Camaro engine that needs a ton more work done to it, and we still got the other LS engine over here that we've been building on the channel that needs more work done to it too. For a fast paint job, it looks damn good. Can't wait to see it in the 3rd gen Camaro. I'm sure if you're new to the channel, or if you've been following the channel, you can't wait to see it being dropped in the Camaro too. We done got the engine bay painted and everything in previous videos, so it's a very exciting moment. We're just going to toss it in now once we get a motor mounts and stuff, and then we're going to add the pulleys and stuff to it. So it's going to be an exciting video, I think, dropping this motor in. It's something to look forward to, because we on gravel. You know how fun a cherry pick on gravel is if you're any sort of an engine guy and ever had a working dirt. Especially if you had to put a motor in. It's fun. So, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, drop a like, and I'll see you next time.